If you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a like and a comment, I'll be sure to get back to you. Today we're going to go over the figure 8 finger roll, okay, and the extension version, which is this. Okay, so yeah, please make sure to switch on that notification bell to get notified when I release the latest content. First of all, when doing the figure 8 finger roll, you need to make sure when you start, your palm is facing behind you, okay, and your basically your finger now is on the bottom of the rope. So you're going to start on the top, hand facing behind you, okay, your finger is on the bottom of the rope. From there, you're going to make this motion. So that is the first step of it, okay? Notice how my palm is facing behind me. Now, what you need to do is you need to turn your body so your palm is facing the camera. From then, you're going to go back over that finger, catching it in a normal grip. See? So now, you're ready to restart the figure 8 finger roll. Pencil grip. See? Normal grip. I'm going to show you from the side now. So we go here, pencil grip, palm facing the wall, or whatever you're facing, back over. Alright? So if you have got that, that is banging, try the extended version. The extended version is a lot harder than it looks, okay? But follows exactly the same concept. So, we're here. The only difference is our finger is going to be on top of the rope with this. Okay? So we're going to go here, whoosh. Pencil grip it. Bring it in, okay? Bring it into our hips, to your chest, wherever you feel like plopping it off, okay? Notice now how my palm is facing the wall. Now it's going to go underneath that finger. And I'm going to extend it out. Remember, catching it in a normal grip. Do you see? So we go here, here. Yeah, and with the other one, we go here, here. Okay, so if you're new here, yeah, remember to subscribe, support my channel. I'm doing this for free, so yeah. Long live the flow artists, and I'll see you again soon, guys.